So here you have a background photo on your document. And if you wanted to edit the colors of this, there are some things you can do. Since it's a photo, you can't just change it the same way you would in a design element or a block of text or things like that. But what you can do is click Edit Photo, and you can see you have some different options here. Filters is one of the ways that you can change how the image colors look. So you can see you can choose that. You can also change the intensity to make it like different levels here. You can use all of these filters here that you want throughout, and just test out the different things. I'm just going to go back to none for this right here. So that's a way you can do that. You can also add different effects if you wanted to blur it. You could create that blurred background look a little bit. I'm going to just leave it the way it is here. You can do autofocus, duotone. You can test out these different things, adding shadows to it along the sides. This might be helpful if you're trying to create kind of that book outline feel to something. The other thing is that I use mostly is just changing the transparency. So I will just bring this transparency down on the background of an image sometimes if I don't want it to be quite as bright and take over the text. So that's the one that I use the most. But those are some ways you can change and play around with the filters and the colors in an image.